This is the part 2. So May 2024 IAL P1 paper, and this is the question number 6. This question is inequality and one line and one curve given, and you have to find the point of intersection because line L equation given already, curve equation given, and L intersect the curve C at two different points, and you have to find the coordinates. So whenever you have to find the intersection, got it, we have to equate both the lines and curve together. So part A, y equal to 5x plus 75 and curve is 2x square plus x minus 21. Equate both. Plus 75. Bring everything one side. Collect all the like terms. So x minus 5x, so minus 4x, and minus 96 equals to 0. Divide everything by 2. This is now quadratic equation, so factorize it. So x plus 6, x minus 8 is 0. Therefore, x is minus 6, x is 8. So y equal to 5 times minus 6 plus 75, and y equals to 5 times 8 plus 75, which is equal to 75 minus 30, 45, 40 plus 75, 115. And p is left of q. So x value of p must be smaller, which is minus 645, and q is 8,115. So this is the part A answer. Now part B. Part B is the region R shown shaded in figure 3 is bounded by C, means curve, line and the x-axis. And look, you know that line, this shaded region is below the line, below the curve and above the x-axis. And all the lines are solid. Means either you have to use greater equal to or less equal to. So now I'm writing inequalities. The less than the curve, it means y is less than 2x square plus x minus 21, and other is y is less than 75 plus 5x, and x-axis equation is y is 0, so you can write y is greater or equal to 0. So this is the answer of this question. Now question number 6 finished. Now question number 7. This is 8, 1 second. This is question number 7. Question 7, one of the function given, fx is 2x cubed minus kx square plus 14x plus 24, and k is a constant. Find in simplest form f dash x. F dash means you have to find differentiation. So a1, f dash x is 2 times 3x square minus 2kx plus 14, which is equal to 6x square minus, this is the first part answer. Second part, double differentiation, f double dash. Again differentiate it, 12x minus 2k. Now the question is, the curve with equation y equal to f dash x, means this one, and y equal to f double dash, that one, at the points A and B, means f dash x and f double dash x are intersecting. And x coordinate of A is given, find the value of k. So in the B part, we have to use f dash x equals to 6x square minus equals to 12x minus 2k. Since x value is 5, put it back. So 6 times minus 2k times 5 equal to, bring one side. So 25 times 400, 150. Minus 10k, 60 plus 2k. So this is 90 plus 14 equal to 8k. 8k is 104. K is 104 divided by 8. 104 divided by 8. Use calculator to find the simplest form, which is 30. Therefore, K is 13. So part B finished. Now part C. Hence find the coordinates of B. You do one thing. We have a simplest equation. We can copy this one again. So 6x squared minus 2kx plus 14 minus 12x plus 2k is 0. Because we have to find the x value, another x value. So just plug in the k is 13 in this equation. Minus k is 13, so 26x plus 26 equals to 0. So this is minus 26, 36, 38x plus 40 equal to 0. Divide by 2. So 3x squared minus 19x plus 20 equals to 0. Now factorize using calculator also you can use. So 3 minus 19, 20. So its factor is x minus 5 and 3x minus 4 is 0. Therefore, x is 5. This already given in the question. So another x value is 4 by 3. Then we have to find the y value, and y equals to any f dash x function or f double dash x function, any function we can use it. And double dash function is easier to use. The first, that is 12x minus 2k, and k value was 13. So 12x minus 26. So 12 times 4 over 3. 16 minus 26 equal to minus 10. Therefore, x is 4 by 3 and y is minus 10. And the question is coordinates of B. So B would be 4 by 3 minus 10, and this is the answer. Now next question. Question number 8. This is 9. This one is the question number 8. The curve C1 has equation given, and SK is the graph of C1 showing the coordinates of any points of intersection with the coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means x and y both. Got it? So we have to sketch this curve. So you do one thing. Part A. Y equals to x 4 minus x squared. You can write x 2 plus x 2 minus x. So on the number line, this is coming minus 2, 0 and 2. There are 3 roots. Below minus 2, any number we can put it here to check the sign, positive coming or negative. Suppose we are putting minus 3, so negative. 2 plus minus 3 is negative. 2 minus of minus 3 positive. So this is coming positive. Then automatically it will come negative. Then positive, then negative. And if starting with positive, the graph would be like this. Now we can sketch properly. This is minus 2, 0 and 2. Yeah. And y-intercept is 0, 0. Yeah, so A part finished. Part B. The curve C2 has equation y equal to a over x, where a is a constant. Show that the x coordinate of the point of intersection of C1, C2 satisfy this equation. So again, intersection, it means we have to equate both the equation together. So x4 minus x square. So 4x minus x cube. Denominator is x, so multiply both sides by x. So we have to write hence proved. Now part C. Part C is hence find the range of possible values of A for which C1 meets C2 at 4 distinct points. 4 distinct points. So 4 distinct points, definitely A must be greater than 0. So for 4 distinct points, so we can use 4 different points. Got it? So x square. So this is, question is x square whole square minus 4x square plus a is 0. Got it? So a is 1, b is minus 4, c is a. So b square minus 4a, got it, is greater than 0, and a must be greater than 0. So minus 4a, a is less than 4. So we have to write 0. This is the range of values. Finished. Now, number 9. Next question. Number 9 is straight line question. This is not hard. Point A coordinates given already, point B given, and L1 passes through both A and B. Find the equation of L1. So basically part A, this is the line L1 and passing through A and B. A is 4, 2, B is 15, 7. So gradient equals to 7 minus 2 over 15 minus 4. The 5 by 11. Now y minus y1, gradient x minus x1 is the equation of a line. You can take either this point or that point. Denominator is 11, so multiply both sides by 11. This is the equation of a line. So P is 5, Q is minus 11, and all PQ are integers. Now part B. The L2 passes through A and parallel to the x-axis. The point C lies on L2, so that the length of BC is 5 root 2. Find both possible pairs of coordinate of C basically. So question is L2 passes through point A, L2, and parallel to x-axis. Yes, parallel to the x-axis. The point C lies on L2. So look at the diagram. First make a diagram like this. So 4-2 is here, 15-7 is here. This is line AB. And L2 equals to passes through A and parallel to x-axis. So basically like this. And C lies on L2. C can be either side basically. And BC, suppose C is here. So this is BC. And maybe C is this side. So this is also BC. And that is given 5√2. Got it? So you do one thing, take this C point, X is not given, so X, but Y value is given because passes through A and parallel to X, it means Y coordinate must be 2. So, and B point is given 15, 7. So you do one thing, BC is given 5√5, squaring both the sides, 125. Now use length formula. So x minus 15 square this one. Then don't open this bracket, otherwise you have to solve quadratic. Just remove the square, then plus minus a square root will come. This is 10 minus 10. The x is 15 plus 10. So possible C point is or 5, 2. Now what is the question? Hence find the minimum possible area of triangle ABC. Minimum possible area. So minimum possible area of ABC. You do one thing, C part. Area equals to half base times height. And C point is, suppose this one is 5, 2. And this point is 25, 2. So basically not this side, other side is only 25, 2 because both are positive, both the x value coming positive. Got it? So this is, no, this is 5, height is 5. So 5 by 2 square units. Now, question number 9 finished. Question number 10. Now question number 10 is this one. Very good question. So differentiation is given already. Point is given that lies on not f dash x, that lies on fx. And equation of normal, you have to find it out. Whenever you have to find the equation of tangent or normal, we need two things. First, gradient and a point. So we have a point, we have a gradient function which is f dash x, So in the gradient function, sub in the x value to get the gradient of the tangent, then negative reciprocate it to get the gradient of the normal. So you do one thing for part A, f dash 4 is 6 times 4 minus 2 times 4 minus 1, 3 times 4 plus 2 divided by 2 root 4. This is 24 minus 8 minus 1, 7 times 14 over 4. So this is 96 minus 98. So minus 2 over 4. So minus half. Therefore, m of the normal equals to 2. So equation of a normal is y equal to 2x plus c, and point is 4, 12, c is 4, 2x plus 4 is the A part answer. Now part B, we need fx, and you should know that f dash x integral is fx, because integration is anti-differentiation. So fx equals to integration of, and to integrate any function, first you have to break down everything. So we have f dash x already, which is 6x. This easily we can differentiate, but the other function is 3x plus 2 by 2 root x. Simplify first, means open the bracket. So this is 6x minus 2x half minus 4x over plus x half. Simplify it. 2 minus half, because we know that am over an is equal to am minus n. 2 minus half is 3 by 2 minus 2x half plus 3 by 2x half plus x minus half. So simplify it. 3x 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 minus 2. So 3 by 2 minus 2 is basic minus half plus x minus half. Now integrate it. So this is 3 by 2 plus 1 minus half x half plus 1 plus x plus c. Now simplify it. So 3x square minus 3 by 2 plus 1 is 5 by 2. 2 will go up, so 6 by 5, x 5 by 2 minus half divided by 3 by 2, so 1/3, x 3 by 2 plus half means 2, x half plus c. Now the question is in the simplest form. So this is simplest form and this is the answer. Now question number, this one is 10. And now you have to find the c value also. Yes, this is not completed. And this is a curve basically, and that passes through 4, 12. So now plug in the value to get c. 3 times 4 square minus 48 minus 32 minus 8 by 3 plus 4 plus c. C is 12 minus 48, 192 by 5. Use calculator now. So plus 192 over 5 plus 8 over 3 minus 4. So 16 over 15. So final fx would be this is the answer. Yeah. Now number 11. Because number 10 finished. Question number 11. So question 10 finished already, and I think this is the last question. Question 11. Yeah. Yes, one sine function graph is given, and you have to find the coordinates of P, and P is the maximum. Yeah. So part A. First of all, they want maximum point on C. So maximum value, because 12 sine x plus 12 is maximum. Max minus 12 is min. So y coordinate definitely be 12. Got it? And for x coordinate, we have to find it out. X coordinate. So for maximum, we can do like, there are many ways to do this question. Got it? Plug in y equal to 12 here. So 12 equals to 12 sine x. You can use differentiation also, but sine differentiation formula is not in P1. So that's why avoid it. So use that way. So this is coming sine x is 1. Sine is positive in first and second quadrant. This is theta, and this is pi minus theta. So x is basically pi by 2. So, and another maximum would be x equals to 2 pi plus pi by 2. So 5 pi by 2. So P point is comma 12. Now B part. Given that the maximum value of y on C2 is 3, C2 equation is given. The C2 equation is given y equal to 12 sine x plus k. And maximum value of y is given 3. Find the coordinates of the minimum point on C2, which has the smallest positive x value. Which have the smallest positive x value basically. Maximum is given 3. Maximum is 3. But the question is saying y equal to 12x plus k, given that the maximum value of y on C2 is 3. So look, 12 sin x maximum is 12. The k must be minus 9. Then the maximum would be what? 3. And then they have to find the minimum. So maximum equals to 3. Therefore k is minus 9. So your y equation is this, because 12 is max and 12 minus 9, which is 3. Now they want minimum value. I told you the minimum value of sine is always minus 1. Sine function minimum value is always minus 1. So now we have to equate it. The minimum of this function would be minus 21 because the previous minimum function was minimum value was minus 12 and then minus 9, so minus 21. So minus 21 equals to 12 sine x minus 9. So minus 21 plus 9 is 12 sine x. So minus 12 is 12 sine x. So sine x equals to minus 1. Sine negative in this 2 quadrant. Sine negative in this 2 quadrant basically. And 1 at pi by 2. So this is pi plus theta and this is 2 pi minus theta. So x equals to pi plus pi by 2, which is 3 pi by 2. Got it? So the answer is 3 pi by 2 comma minus 21. Now the last part, C part. Given pi by 4 comma a, where a is constant, is the minimum point on C3 which has the smallest positive x, which has the smallest positive x value. So very easy. The smallest positive x value means, suppose your graph is y equal to 12 sine x plus k. The k must be minus 12 because then the minimum is 0. So therefore, and k equals to what? Minus 12. So a value is minus 12. Therefore, a value is minus 12. And now minimum is, so y equal to 12 sine x minus 12. Got it? So minus 24. A is minus 12. So its minimum is basically minus 12 and minus 12, so minus 24. So sine x equals to minus 1. So then 2 pi minus pi by 2 is equal to again 3 pi by 2. But next one would be, question one more time, pi by, oh, x is pi by 4 comma a, sorry. X is pi by 4 comma a. So for that, then don't do this way. The better way is plug in the value. So C3 equation is given, I didn't see. 12 sine x plus b. So a equals to 12 sine pi by 4 plus b. Got it? So a equals to minus 12, then the minimum is minus 1 will come. So sine pi by 4 plus b equals to minus 1. And sine negative in third, pi by 4 plus b is pi plus pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. So b equals to 6 pi minus pi by 4. So b is 5 pi by 4, finished. Yeah. Because I didn't see the C3 function. I was thinking C2 function we have to use it there, but here C3 function already given. Got it? So you have to use that one. Yeah. Thank you. So now this paper completely finished.